In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Asana account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with this productivity tool, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you can do it confidently and swiftly. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Asana website, open up your browser and navigate to the Asana login page. If you have the link saved, even better, just click on that. But if not, type www.asana.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Asana homepage, the next thing you need to do is enter your email address affiliated with your Asana account. Make sure it's the correct email that you used to create your account, as this will ensure you get into the right workspace. Hit that email field, type it in, and then click the continue button. Afterward, you'll be prompted to input your password. This is the key to your account, so double check for any typos that might prevent you from logging in. Once you've correctly entered your password, hit the login button, and soon you should see your Asana homepage. On your homepage, you'll need to look for your profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, locate and click on the Settings option. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. In the Settings menu, look for and click on the Account tab. Under the Account tab, you'll find the Deactivate Account option. Clicking here will prompt you to confirm your decision. It's essential to remember that deactivating your account will remove access to your data associated with it, so make sure you're ready to proceed. Finally, to confirm the deactivation of your account, you'll need to click on the Deactivate button. This will complete the process and you will no longer have access to that Asana account. Remember, before you take these steps, ensure that you've saved any important information or data from Asana that you might need later. Once deactivated, recovering your account can be complex. That's it, you've successfully deleted your Asana account. Hopefully this process was clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.